have told us the reason they have formed an alliance is because none of them can beat PF. Those are statements coming from the president of the alliance, Mr. Hakainde Samichile.
None of them as in individually.
They have said they cannot beat PF. So they need to collect everybody in order to challenge PF. So UPND has admitted several times that they don't have the numbers to beat PF. They have admitted. Their president has admitted we don't have the numbers to beat PF. We need other people to help us to beat PF. Now, the issue of an alliance is not new as far as UPND is concerned. Because UPND has been an alliance with everybody. And every alliance UPND has had, it has failed. They had an alliance with FDD. They had an alliance with UNIP. They had an alliance with PF. All these alliances have failed. Even this same one, when they started, there were 14 political parties. Now there are remaining 4 in that alliance. 4. From 14, 10 have left. And Bashimba Kambwili has been the latest to leave. So if you look at the alliance, they have actually remained 3. Because everybody has left.
And there's also a word that you have actually fueled this confusion between the rest of the alliance members and the NDC. Because you want Honorable Kambwili to be in your camp.
Honorable Kambwili spoke very well, very maturely and very sober. And kudos to Honorable Kambwili. He said when they started the story of an alliance, they had agreed that NDC should have 30% of the seats. And that UPND, after agreeing, they should change them. They said they had agreed that Mr. Hakainde Samichile will be they will be the president and Mr. Kambwili will be a running mate. But that they have been shortchanged. Okay? So now, let's talk about alliance. Because that's why last time I was on certain radio, I want to find a word, a synonym for the word alliance. Because it's to abuse the word alliance to claim there's an alliance. Let's look at the members of the alliance. 1, ADD. ADD, there were 2 people in ADD. Tatira, my young brother Tatira, and the Charles Mirupi. These were the 2 people that were heading ADD. Tatira nachokamo. Bamirupi is alone. So ADD, it is Bamirupi alone with nobody. Okay? Let's look at ZRP. My brother Bachikuse. There were 2 with our late brother. May so rest in peace. Bachikuse Baribeka. And as we are speaking, Bachikuse has been dragged that Managulisa plot to Bantu Batatu. So meaning Bachikuse now, with these allegations, he will be busy pakoti pacha. Kuzunguruka, na vima envelope, kuzunguruka, palinkani ya maploti. Meaning, ZRP has no member. Let's talk about NAREP. NAREP, there were 4. There was David Kapoma, there was Ezra Nguruwe, there was Frank Sichone, and there was Bailas Chipimo. Bailas Chipimo, wanachoka mwanareka for politics. He left. Kunaba kwa sala Ezra Nguruwe na Frank Sichone. Bama Washe comes in and out, but is not really into politics, so we can't count him. Nondo anachokako anajoin a PF walia Nondo. So Narepo yasiriratu because for them they don't even have a president. But Stephen Nyirenda wakumuvi TV claims to be the president. Bama Washe claims to be the acting president. Narepo as it stands, they don't even have a president. So that is another alliance member. If you look at this, clearly there's no alliance. Because these, there's now 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6, 7. Awana chokamo, nishwasala bari 4. So it is Hakainde na wanzake bari 4. That's how it should be written. It should not be called UPND Alliance. It should be said Hakainde and his 4 friends. That is what they should be calling it. Not at UPND Alliance. Because there's no alliance. These people have no members. ZRP has no members. NAREP has no members. ADD has no members. They have no members. So from now on, Zakaria, don't call it UPND Alliance. Call it Hakainde and his 4 friends. Because that's what they are.